Hey guys, so I usually make chocolate covered strawberries every year for Valentine's Day for my loved ones, friends, and family. And it's really simple to do, and it also saves a bunch of money. And so here's how I do it. I got some actually premium chocolate chips here, Ghirardelli. This will work with other types of chocolate melts too. I have white and dark chocolate, so two colors. So here's what they look like, and we're gonna put them in the microwave. You need either wax paper or parchment paper I have here, a toothpick for designs, 2 spoons or 1 spoon for each color, and of course strawberries. These have been rinsed the day before, and so they were let to kind of dry off the extra water. That's really important because if you try to dip your strawberries that are already wet, like soaking wet in chocolate, it doesn't make the best outcome. And your chocolate can seize and all that stuff. So try to pat dry the water as best as possible or wash them the night before. And we're going to start with microwaving. So you want to microwave your chips according to the package directions. For me, it was 30 seconds at first, stirring really well, and then 10 to 15-second intervals if it's still not melted enough. And you want to be careful about microwaving too much or it will seize like what I did here. Okay, I had to actually start a new bowl of the white chocolate because it seized on me. And so the trick is you want to be patient, don't go too long. And my white chocolate isn't as runny, so I'll just have to deal with that, which is fine. So we're gonna first start out with coating 2 strawberries in white. So pick some nice shapes. We're gonna make a tuxedo one and a zigzag one and a half and a half. So for our tuxedo one, since that has like the best design, we're gonna try to get some big strawberries that can have that design. And it doesn't matter if there's discoloration, it's all gonna be covered anyways. And so for the tuxedo, you can coat the whole strawberry or you could just coat one side in white. I'm just gonna do one side first and place it to set on the parchment. So I'm gonna make 2 tuxedos and just dip it in like that. And then I'm gonna make a whole one for zigzag. So we're gonna coat the whole thing. You could use a spoon to help you, but especially if your chocolate is thick like this, I recommend just kind of pressing and letting go. So when it dries, it's nicer and a little bit more smooth like that. And if you just got your strawberries out of the fridge, the cold can harden the chocolate, so just watch out for that. Then we're gonna coat a half a strawberry for half and half. We'll do 2 half and half. And we'll do another whole one since we have a little bit more. And so next, and you can always like cover it more up to the stem as well. And next we're going to work on our tuxedo. To do that, you grab your partially covered white strawberry and you're going to just dip it in on the sides and the back. So it makes a V shape. So that's one side. And you dip it in on the other side. And now you have your suit jacket. And you could finish off in the back. So the back's all covered. And we'll do that for our other one. So on the sides, make that V shape. Make a little bit more V up to the sides some more. And you could always make the weight higher if you need. Okay, and get the back. And place that down. And to get the dots, you get your toothpick, dip it into the dark chocolate, and make 3 dots for the buttons, for the shirt buttons. You can also get creative if you have nimble hands. You could draw a bow tie as well. I'm not gonna attempt that. Let's get the front all the way closer to the stem. And we're gonna let that dry a bit. So with the tuxedo, you do the sides in a V again. And then the back. You kind of just like lay it down gently and press it up. And use your toothpick. Get those dots. For the buttons. And now you can also put white zigzags on your other white strawberries. You can make all black strawberries or chocolate strawberries. Coat that good. And then put white on top. So this is what the parchment paper is good for. Just go crazy on those. And you want to try to get it along thin stream. But if you don't, it's okay. You could go all Jackson Pollock on it. And let's coat the second half. As you can see, it's a little bit not as runny. And get it runny again, putting it in the microwave for a couple of seconds. And now it's easier to dip. So you can do a V like that and get the back a little bit. So it's kind of half and half. And so that's how you do kind of half and half. And we have some more chocolate. So let's see what other designs we can make. We can do like an opposite tuxedo. How is that gonna work? I've never done that before. Okay. And this one's pretty much ready. So we'll lay it down on the sides like that. For this one, I think I'm gonna do 2 stripes down the middle. So let me try to get it thin. And runny. So that one's not really like a suit per se. It just looks like a design. And now you have a whole plate of chocolate covered strawberries with different designs that you can share with others or just enjoy yourself. I am Linda Says Things, and if you like this, leave a thumbs up on my video, and I'll be back for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching.